Welcome to Animal Facts. Today, we are uncovering 10 incredible facts about elephants, the gentle giants of the animal kingdom. 10 incredible facts about elephant. Fact 1. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. An African elephant can weigh up to 6,000 kilograms, as heavy as 10 cars. Fact 2. They have an amazing memory. Elephants remember faces, places, and water sources for decades. Fact 3. An elephant's trunk has over 40,000 muscles. It's one of the most powerful and flexible tools in nature. Fact 4. Elephants communicate using low-frequency sounds that travel through the ground. Humans can't even hear them. Fact 5. They are emotional creatures and even mourn their dead, showing true empathy. Fact 6. Voiceover. Elephants are great swimmers. They use their trunks like a snorkel to breathe. Fact 7. Their large ears act like air conditioners, helping to cool their massive bodies. Fact 8. They eat up to 150 kilograms of food every day, mostly grass, leaves, and fruits. Fact 9. Baby elephants can stand and walk within 20 minutes of being born, nature's miracle. Fact 10. Sadly, elephants are endangered. Protecting them means saving an entire ecosystem. Elephants are intelligent, social, and emotional creatures, true giants of the wild. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal